What am I, like in 2006 where I don't know how to apply mascara? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the new SORN x VT Cosmetics collaboration, and thank you so much to Yesstyle for sending me this product. It's not sponsored, but they just sent it to me as PR, and if you guys want to purchase this kit, you can purchase it on Yesstyle using my discount code ShilaBui for I think like 10% off. I'll have the link to in the description bar with where you can buy this and my discount code as well. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up for me. It would help my channel out so much. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and let's go. So the kit is really pretty. It's a small little box. It's pink and it just says SORN Signature Per Sketch Edition with VT Cosmetics. In the front it says don't waste my time, and you can slide it out and it comes with 3 to 4 products depending how you see it. It comes with the eyeshadow, the lipstick, the eyelash primer, and then the mascara. First of all, the packaging, I really like it. It's really sturdy. And honestly, for a single shadow, you get quite a lot of product. It is 0.15 ounces, but the pan is gigantic. Let me swatch this. I haven't even swatched it. I love that it has like her name engraved into this. So pretty. So when you swatch it, can you guys see that? It's like the most gorgeous, like pinky mauve color, and just with one swatch, you get so much pigment. And it's very, very pretty. Honestly, it's a very pretty pink. It has a little like light gold reflex to it. First off, what I do have to say is you have to like pinky eyeshadows to like this shadow. It's very pink, but it's a very wearable pink. I personally really like this. I think it's really, really pretty. And also in Korea, it's very trendy to wear like pinks these days. Like pink and oranges and peachy colors are very pretty on yellowy, olivey skin tones, which is why I feel like she chose the color she chose. I feel like it just helps kind of brighten your skin tone a little bit. It's very, very pigmented, and I love how blendable it is. Now, it also comes with a primer and a mascara. I haven't used a mascara primer since I was maybe in like 8th grade. I'm super stoked for this. I don't have any expectations for mascara primers. I don't know if it's good or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to curl my lashes with my Shiseido eyelash curler, which I also got on Yesstyle. I'll leave a link to it down below. If you have thick, straight Asian lashes, get an Asian brand eyelash curler. It will change your life. I'll leave a link to this one down below for you guys if you guys want to get it. But I'm going to curl my lashes and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're back and I'm going to apply on the primer. The primer to me is more of like a jelly consistency. Most primers are the American primers I have tried, like the L'Oreal one. I feel like everyone has tried that one. The primer is very white. This is more of like a gel consistency rather than like a white mascara. It feels like it just kind of separated them. One eye, I'm going to let it dry, and then the other eye, I'm going to apply it on right away to see which method is better. If it's better to apply mascara on when the primer is wet, or to let the primer dry completely. And like I said, the bristle is just, for the mascara, is just the typical VT Cosmetics bristle. It's like a standard brush bristle. It's not a plastic bristle. I think there might be like some mascaras have like those little particles that help your lashes look longer, and I think this mascara might have that. Personally, I feel like the primer did a good job at separating my lashes, and this just kind of clumped it together. It made it very spidery, which I'm personally not a fan of. The primer did hold up my lashes very well, but then it also made them hard. Like, I waited for this side to completely dry. So both sides have 2 coats of mascara on them. This side I waited for the primer to dry completely, while this side I applied on the mascara right after the primer, so the primer was still a little bit tacky or wet. And honestly, I like this side a lot more. If you're gonna apply on the primer, apply it on and then apply on your mascara. It'll make it look so much better. This one, I felt like the lashes just got clumped together so easily. I am not a fan of this side. Well, this one, it's okay. It's not bad. It's okay. I don't know. I don't even know how this happened, but the mascara also transferred to my lower lash line. I don't know. But I'm going to take a little bit of mascara and also put it on my lower lash line without any primer. just to see. I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. Personally, this is not my favorite at all. Even applying it without the... I feel like if I apply it with the primer and then apply the mascara on right away, this side is okay. I do not like this side at all. What am I, like in 2006 where I don't know how to apply mascara? It's not cute, and it bleeds everywhere. It kind of just transfers everywhere, and I don't like this side at all. This side is okay. So now we're gonna go in with the lipstick, and I'm really excited for this. I haven't swatched it so far. It looks like a burnt orangey color, which I feel like is more appropriate for the springtime. This whole collection is very appropriate for spring. So I'm gonna do a swatch right below the eyeshadow so you guys can see. Ooh, it's really pretty. It's like a medium tone orange color. I wouldn't say it's unwearable. I don't really wear orangey shades, but we will see. I had already prepped my lips before with Vaseline, so it's already moisturized. I'm just gonna apply this. I'm not gonna apply this on like a full lipstick. I'm gonna try to do kind of like the gradient effect because I feel like this color will be too intense for me. So we're just gonna do like a patting motion. Also, my lips are very dry. So personally, I think this color will be best suited if you either have very, very tan skin, like darker, a very dark complexion. It's not super hydrating. It's just kind of like, okay. If you have any dry patches, oh, it will show. Okay. This color's not my favorite on me. Personally, you guys might think otherwise, but I feel like I look like a clown right now. Yeah, so the formulation for this is quite dry. If you have dry lips, not for you. If you are very pale, I feel like this might look really, really pretty on you. I am not that pale. I have like olivey, I have like a medium skin complexion where it's like olivey complexion. I have gone a lot lighter due to quarantining, but still, it doesn't look that great on me. I'm not really a fan of this lipstick. I love the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow, I would give it 10 out of 10. I would repurchase it. It's very pretty. Mascara is a solid 7. And this, personally, this lip product is not my favorite. I don't like the color. I don't like the formulation. It's very, it feels like one of those formulas that I'm like playing with it on my hands. It feels like one of those formulas that's very dry. Like it's supposed to be moisturizing. Like I think Revlon had something a long time ago where it was like a lip balm, like a lip balm lipstick type of thing. That's kind of what this is. It's like a lip balming lipstick, and I don't like those. Those tend to make your lips very dry. It kind of enhances all the dry patches. And also this shade isn't very universal. I love this eyeshadow color. I think it's very universal. This shade, it's okay. That is my opinion on this review. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up for me, and let me know if you guys want any more videos like this in the future. I think I'll be doing a Stray Kids and Cleo collaboration video soon. I bought all the makeup products and it's coming soon, so please be on the lookout for that. And I love you guys so much. Please be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll talk to you next time.